Hello guys, my name is Pride. Spread the cat. Last video, you guys made me walk. This time, we will learn what does the when backdrop switches to event. Let's see and put the when backdrop switches to event. Let's see what happens. But before that, let's go to backdrops and add a backdrop. Let's add the blue sky. I will add the blue sky. Let's switch the blue sky to backdrop 1. That's better. Okay. Now let's add this. Let's set it. Let's set it to blue sky. Now let's see what happens. Nothing is happening. Oh no, why? Wait, because we haven't added a block. Okay. Let's choose this block. Play sound dash until then. Let's see what happens. Why isn't it not changing to the backdrop? Oh, one thing guys, we have to add another code. So I will add when green flag clicked. But be careful, only press it one time because we have also added for me to jump. Okay? For me to jump. Okay. Guys, now let's go to looks. Let's choose switch backdrop to blue sky and wait. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. Nothing is happening. Oh wait. Ooh, now it came. How is that, guys? That looks nice. Thank you guys for the beautiful backdrop. So guys, today we learned when backdrop switches to block. So next time we are gonna learn when loudness 10 block. We are gonna learn next time. Until next time guys, stay safe, stay home, defend coronavirus, and stay healthy. Goodbye. Bye bye guys.